Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I will show you how to fix this secret error on Steam. So first of all you have to find the steam.exe option to do it. You have to go to your files option, then you have to search for your steam.exe as mine is right here. So you have to search for the steam.exe option. Randomly manually you can search it from here. Steam.exe. Right click the steam.exe and choose properties. Choose the properties. Let me find the option. Here you can see the option properties, tap onto it, and then you have to go to compatibility tab, check the run this program as an administrator. Then click apply and OK. First of all you have to search the option called run this program as an administrator. Here you can see the option run this program as an administrator, then you have to tap on to apply and OK. So that's it. Now restart the Steam and check if the issue is solved. If not, launch the Steam and go to settings, click on storage, then click the drive where Steam games are installed. Then restart Steam and check if the error is fixed. This should work for you, and that's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more of this type of content. See you in the next video.